Hi guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Bbnaija Lockdown. Dorathy is the only person I put ahead of others. Ozo shares soft spots for Dorathy. The Big Brother Naija Lockdown Housemates had on their first diary session speaking with Biggie one-on-one for the first time, seemed heartwarming for most of them. Ozo had it to tell Biggie that one housemate he had bonded with quite well in the house is Dorathy. And like he observed from the first day, Dorathy has a great personality and is more accommodating when you come close to share things with her. Despite that, there are more other girls in the house. Ozo thinks the Lagos State-born entrepreneur is the one he chooses ahead of other ladies. Bbnaija, simply known as Ozo, is a 27-year-old consultant and entrepreneur from Imo State. One of his greatest achievements is working with UEFA Federation in Europe. It is no surprise that when he's not busy consulting or managing his urban clothing line, you find him analyzing sports and watching documentary TV shows. Ozo learned during lockdown to stay without loud music. He lives by the words "no boundaries" with an oath of hope. Ozo's biggest achievement was working for UEFA Federation. Okay guys, there is already a love triangle between Ozo, Dorathy and Nengi. He has said it himself now that he's putting Dorathy ahead of every other lady. Let's see how this works out as the game unfolds. Okay guys, if this is your first time of viewing my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.